Howdy folks, here's a video on tips on how to improve your dating app. With quarantine coming to close and we can go back on dates, it's time to get that thing spruced up. That also might be an absolute lie. I'm recording this audio while we're still stuck in this shithole, so maybe we become zombies now. Who knows? They might be wondering why the hell should you take my advice? Well, I must let you know I am a verified dater. I have gone on a date using these apps and it took an entire week to get ghosted, not just 1 or 2 days. So you know the words in this video will have as much merit as when a girl says, I'll let you know. Before we get into the tips, note that I am a male. Most of these tips will be male oriented, but these also will work for females as well. You just gotta replace the gender terms in this video, and it'll be absolutely no problem. Tip 1. Get hot. Yeah, I hate to say it, dating apps is all about basically showing off pictures and usually a few words that people ignore, so usually it only works for the hottest of people out there. And if you aren't hot, then go fuck yourself. Good news is we have a list of verified ways to get hot over here to help improve your overall appearance. I especially recommend that one, jumping into the volcano. Worked wonders for me. Tip 2. If you happen to have children, don't mention it. No one wants to date someone with a bunch of little shits that go and ruin your life. It will be miserable. You won't get any dates that way. Tip 3. Set yourself in the location of Sunnyvale, California. As per this article I read that claimed that these statistics had absolutely no value at all, well, it turns out Sunnyvale, California ranked #1 in ugliest men out there. So if you put yourself in that area, you will look much better compared to the rest of them and have much better odds. Do you live in Sunnyvale, California? Probably not, but it's worth a shot. Tip 6. Don't be a fucking douchebag. Sure, girls go for the douchebags all the time. Trust me, it seems to be one of the most common ways to get ladies these days. I just don't want you to be a douchebag because douchebags suck. Oh. Simple as that. Tip 8. It is very important to mention that you do not like oatmeal raisin cookies in your profile. Very, very important. There's many of the delicious cookies out there, but certainly not that kind. If you do like it, you're a cookie and you deserve to go to cookie jail and never be on these apps again. Tip 13. This is an unlucky number. Tip 24. Say you're into Simplephilia. What is that? This one gets you aroused by either staging or watching some sort of tragedy. And so if you put that in your profile and someone's actually into that as well, guaranteed match right there. Guaranteed. Tip mystery. Dress like Shaggy from Scooby Doo in all your pictures. It'd be excellent, you know, everyone's gonna love it. You gotta solve all these great cases, you gotta eat food all the time, you're probably gonna have to smoke a bunch of weed. They don't show that on the show, but we all know that truly happens. And you're gonna talk to your dog. I mean, it's just ideal. Don't even worry about dating apps, just dress like Shaggy from here on out. It's a good strategy. Tip 69. This is a funny number.
Very nice.
Tip 420. This is also a funny number.
Very nice.
Tip 666. This is the last funny number, and a very, very important one. If you get rejected, call your friend the devil to take care of it. His number is 1666. Go to hell, and he will treat that bitch the way she needs to be treated. Tip 732. Include pictures of animals that you're brutally murdering. Statistics show that PETA is not on dating apps in the slightest because they don't know how to work cell phones. So there's a chance you're going to run into someone who also likes to murder animals. If they see your picture, instant match right there. Tip 976. Mention that in your likes that you like the Confederacy. It has 2 purposes. 1, unless the ladies know that you know your history and that the Confederacy existed. And 2, if she happens to be a member of the KKK, then we have a match made in heaven. I can already see the wedding right now of everyone in their white robes instead of tuxedos and dresses. That'd actually be quite a pitiful sight, to be honest. Well, I do hope these tips help out all you fellas out there, because I know if you're struggling, you're probably going to keep struggling. That's just how this dating fucking world works.